Lighting and Brian. Today, what's today?
Free Fixture Friday.
Free Fixture Friday! Okay, so what does that mean for you? Actually, you should tell me what it means for you because I think you have joined us a time or two. It means whatever we're showing you, we will send your way if you
Share this.
publicly. Okay, that's what we want to see. Share it publicly and this will be sent your way. So today, this is an amazing kit. Yes, it's a kit. So you have 3 of these puck lights in this kit, along with, oh yeah, well there you go. Put the box down. Okay, so you come with 3 pucks. So tell me a little bit about this. What are these little guys?
So this is if you want to surface mount your puck light.
Okay.
So you would just simply screw this to whatever it is, your shelf, your cabinet that you're mounting it to. It comes with little screws. You surface mount it there. Before you do it, you better run this through there. The wires. Okay.
Yeah.
And then
The puck just sits right inside.
puck snaps inside. Exactly.
Okay.
That will be
So
for
you can
surface
do
mount.
it that way.
Yes.
And this means, all right, so if your ceiling is right here, so you're gonna see that little trim,
Yes.
if you will. All right. The other option, I'm gonna have you dismount that, is to have it recessed, so then all you see is this little thin piece right there. So for this application, we decided to surface mount. So we have glass doors, whatever, recess, surface, it's true. It's recessed, you're only gonna see the thin line.
Exactly.
Thank you, Brian. This is why I need Brian, you know? I'm just carrying on. So we have these glass doors, and it'd be really nice to have some light illuminating, especially like in the wintertime when the office gets dark, that adds more light and just more interest. So what do we got going on here? Should we talk about more of these
let's,
things?
Let's talk about a little bit about it.
Okay.
So the kit includes 3 puck lights.
All right.
It has 1 hub. So the hub is actually, you have an input side where you plug the transformer into it, and then you have 3 outputs. So it literally just plugs together like that.
Okay.
Bam, bam, bam. Very quick and easy. This is a little 12-volt DC driver, just big enough to run 3 puck lights. This would not run more than.
But it's so nice, like you just plug it in.
That's right. That's right.
So what I love about the kits too is it's all inclusive. You have everything you need to get it to completion.
That's correct. This is a inline high, low, and off switch.
Okay.
I think the big thing that I wanted people to know is don't get caught up in it's just a kit, because
True.
you can add all kinds of accessories to it. If you wanted to have 10 or 12 pucks and you wanted to operate them from from 1 transformer,
Okay.
just get a bigger transformer.
Right. Because where's the size of the transformer? Is it in that little guy?
Yeah, I think it's probably
Okay.
a 6 watt or something like
So there you go. So this is the size of the transformer to work these 3. But like Brian was saying, let's say you want to do a run and you want, more of them, because obviously they're in packs of 3, so 3, 6, 9. You don't even have to use them in a multiple of 3. In this application, we're using 2. So, and that's why you would just go with a larger transformer.
Absolutely. This one here, this is a dimmable driver, so if you wanted to operate it from a wall switch,
Right.
use the proper driver, it doesn't really matter. So they're just puck lights. When you use them individually on your own, use as many as you want. Use whatever driver that you need, as long as it's 12-volt DC.
Right. Make sure the
Good.
driver is compatible with the dimmer. That is very, very important to note.
Yes. So
I'm
let's.
glad it's these because this is my favorite little
There
thing.
you go. Well, that is one-touch dimmer. Let's plug it in and we'll play with
It
this.
truly is a very light touch. Will turn it on, turn it off. It will dim it down when you hold it, and it will it has memory. So literally it will retain whatever level you left it at the last time.
So this right now is on low.
Okay?
Okay. And there's high. That really spread the light out a lot. Okay.
Ah, there you go.
So if you want to just use the switch, you can mount this anywhere, double stick tape it. There's a couple little slots here if you want to use screws. You can screw it in place, and now you have a high, low, and off.
This is 200 lumens. These only draw a whopping, what, 2 watts of power? So 2 watts of power, but each one illuminates 200 lumens. So again, don't let the small size fool you. It delivers quite a bit.
So another thing that we can do with this, though, is we can.
Oh, we can demo the. Okay.
Yeah, if we'd like to use a one-touch dimmer, what I would do is just leave this on high, and now I can dim it up and down.
You'll appreciate this. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. And there you go.
You can give me a wow if you think that's a wow, because it truly is. High, low is cool and all, but how nice it is to regulate with a very single touch how low or how bright you want that light output. And again, it's so personal with your own application.
So this is an extra accessory. It doesn't come with the kit,
Okay.
but I just wanted to show people that it doesn't matter. This is just a
see
plug
how
light.
easy he plugged it in? I mean, that's how, this is not like, it's gonna be complicated if I add an accessory.
Exactly.
It's not complicated.
No, not at all. Okay,
Back to hello, okay.
there you go. So I think we might as well finish the installation. So we already installed this one here.
Just so you can get an idea, I don't know if you can see in here, but this is recessed. So if it was surface mounted, you would see that 1/4 inch of trim. Whereas recessed, you only see, I don't know, a little dinky amount.
Alright. So we have this one marked here. We're just gonna go ahead, we'll open this up.
And there's a wall between the two. So so how are you getting around? How are you getting the Great Wall?
We just ran an extension cord up to the top of the cabinets. This could be kitchen cabinets that you have open above. This could be your own shelving unit, built in, not built in, portable, doesn't matter. But simple extension cord.
Curio cabinets.
Yes. Bookshelves.
Yeah, bookshelves. You know, and even a bar. Like when you open up, even if it's when you open it up, would it turn on? Do you have a motion sensor?
We do have motion sensors.
Let me just throw them off with something that I'm thinking about as,
You could use motion sensors.
Because that would be
pressure
great if you
switches.
turn it on, because sometimes you have cabinets that are so deep you can't see back there. But that would be great too. Okay.
Absolutely.
Lots of applications.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead
Oh.
and trim this out. This is really thick.
It's gonna be a little bit loud.
Really thick cabinet,
Do
by
I need
the
the
way.
vacuum at the same time?
Wouldn't hurt.
That means it's loud and messy.
Alright, ready?
No. Alright. I didn't want to get it in my eyes. Oh, that's how quick it was. Alright. You need this? inches.
2.5 inch.
And what do you call this little, you guys probably know, what do you call this? You can send a comment and you can fill me in. But this is like a hole saw. And they come in different sizes. It's brilliant. So it's perfect every time. See my little cabinet piece right there. So 2.5 inches. So if you have one at home, now you know that's the size for your puck. Check it out. Like, I mean, really easy. You just saw he did that in, I don't know, how long did you guys hang out with us? Minute? What do you got going on?
Okay, I just plugged the transformer and switch into the input.
Okay.
The 2 outputs going to the pocket
Yeah,
lights.
because I decided on 2, don't want 3.
No, after the video we'll rearrange these, put some zip ties on them.
Oh,
tuck 'em
make it
back
look all
there, make
neat.
it look pretty up there.
We don't
right?
have to drag you in for that.
Exactly. So we'll also, what we'll do is, we'll mount this switch for you so it's the same spot every time. You don't want to be up there feeling around.
Right, I
So
like
we'll
that.
either double stick tape it or use a little screw right here and just mount it probably a couple inches back, just enough to where when you put your hand up there.
That's
you'll
the
feel it.
high-low off switch that he's talking about. That comes with the kit. Okay,
Okay, so turn some lights on right there.
works.
Okay.
This is like plug and play. I mean, seriously, this is plug and play. So you can do it this way. You can add more, do the transformer. You can add a wall dimmer and address it that way.
Let's throw this glass door on. Okay. Give them a
Let's
final.
throw the glass door on so you can see the whole picture. You know, they can see it through here. Really looks sharp. Is this on high or low?
It's on high.
It's on high. I'm trying to think of like curio cabs. I'm trying to think of other applications. If you have some ideas on where you think you would put them, send it our way. We'd love to see it. When you get your free kit because you shared it publicly on Facebook, take a picture of it. Show us where you, with the application that you put it in. We'd love to see it. Can I turn this now?
That's fine.
Did you see it? Yeah. The camera's picking it up, you can tell.
Okay, we're gonna have a little adjustments here to do in a minute, but for now.
Alright.
We'll make that gap better.
We'll fix the door. You don't need to be here for the door, you need to be here for the lights.
And there you go.
Okay, I love it. So, free Fixture Friday, one more time. If there is a product that you are interested in and you're not sure, you know, you need a little help, Brian is the director of tech. And his entire staff is, you're talking about composed of electricians, contractors, they can help you, they can answer any of your questions. Send us a comment or call us and we'll put whatever product that you're thinking about, if you want a how-to video, and we'll show you how to install it. But that's
Sounds
what we're
good.
here for, we're here to help you out. All right, thanks for joining.
Have a good weekend.